always been curious why steel coils are almost always hauled lying flat instead of standing upright. Turns out there are two main reasons. First, if a coil is transported standing up, its center of gravity ends up much higher. That makes the whole truck less stable and more likely to tip. On top of that, the bottom edge of the coil would be under a lot of stress. And remember when steel sheets are first made, they're still extremely hot, and then they get rolled into coils. That process leaves a lot of internal tension in the steel. If the coil gets worn or deformed, it can loosen or, in extreme cases, even burst open. When coils are laid flat, though, the pressure is spread evenly across the curved surface, which helps keep them intact and prevents deformation. Second, it comes down to loading and unloading. A flat coil has a big hole in the middle that a crane hook can easily grab, making lifting safer and more stable. But if the coil is upright, it's much harder to hook onto, and the lift becomes unstable. One wrong move, and it could crash into the truck or nearby equipment. In fact, there are special trucks designed just for steel coils with deep grooves in the bed that lock the coils in place. The downside is that these trucks are expensive and can only be used for hauling coils. So next time you see a truck carrying steel coils on the highway, make sure to give it space and keep a safe distance.